Hello guys, few months ago I changed or I updated this Delta shower head with new Sparkpod one, and at that time I forgot to use the pipe thread sealant tape. So I don't have, as you can see, I don't have any leaks now, but I'm gonna use the sealant anyway. So I'm gonna take the shower head out. So this is the one I'm using. It's from Walmart. As you can see in the back, it has instruction: wrap the sealant around male thread 2-3 revolution on the clockwise direction. So I'm gonna do that. Here I got the sealant, and let's wrap 2-3 rounds clockwise. Okay, there is 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So I did the three clockwise rounds around it. So make sure that it's covered from all the way from up to top to bottom. Let's put the shower head back in. Look at how much dirt I got in here. So I gotta clean it up. So now all the dirt is gone. I'm gonna put this one back in here. Okay, so let's turn this one on. All good, and as you can see, there is no leak. And look at this flow. Thank you for watching.